Hello friends, welcome to our English session. Today we will discuss about how English leads to personality grooming. Section 1, Introduction. 1. Understanding English is a global language. English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. It is not just a means of communication, it is a bridge that connects people from different nations, cultures, backgrounds, and ideologies. Today, over 1.5 billion people speak English to some extent, and it is the official or second language in more than 70 countries. Whether it is business, education, travel, or technology, English has established itself as a dominant global language. English is the language of science, diplomacy, aviation, internet content, and global media. From emails and video conferences to academic research papers and movies, English permeates all aspects of modern life. Thus, its importance goes beyond communication, it becomes a tool for success, knowledge, influence, and empowerment. In this global context, mastering English is no longer a luxury or just an academic achievement, it has become a necessity. And as more people start to use English fluently and effectively, it naturally contributes to their personal and professional development. 1.2 Defining personality grooming. Personality grooming refers to the process of improving and enhancing one's personal traits, behavior, appearance, communication, and overall presence. It includes confidence building, effective communication, personal hygiene and dressing, social etiquette, emotional intelligence, leadership and decision-making skills, adaptability and a positive attitude. Grooming your personality is about shaping who you are and how you present yourself to the world. It is about becoming more aware of your strengths and working on your weaknesses. Whether in a classroom, workplace, social gathering, or online platform, a well-groomed personality stands out, makes an impact, and inspires others. 1.3 The connection between language and personality. Language plays a crucial role in personality development. The way we speak, express ideas, share emotions, and communicate with others shapes how people perceive us and how we perceive ourselves. A person who communicates effectively is often seen as confident, intelligent, and charismatic. English, being a global medium, opens the door to a broader world of interaction. When someone speaks fluent and clear English, they often feel more self-assured in group discussions, professional environments, and social gatherings. Language builds confidence, and confidence enhances personality. The connection between English and personality grooming lies in improved communication and expression, confidence and self-esteem, wider access to information and opportunities, greater influence in global and local settings. 1.4 Importance of English in the modern world. Let's look at some of the key areas where English has become essential in the modern world. 1. Education. Most higher education institutions across the world use English as the primary language of instruction. Proficiency in English is crucial for understanding academic materials, writing research papers, and participating in global learning communities. 2. Career. English is often the language of the workplace, especially in multinational companies. Interviews, meetings, reports, client communications, and presentations are mostly done in English, making it an essential skill for professional success. 3. Travel. English is considered the universal travel language. From airports to hotels, English enables you to navigate foreign lands, interact with people, and explore the world. 4. Technology and the Internet. A majority of online content, whether articles, videos, tutorials, or courses, is in English. This means learning English gives access to unlimited resources for growth and development. 5. Social media and influence. Influencers, thought leaders, and content creators often use English to reach a global audience. Speaking and writing well in English increases your reach, your ability to influence others, and your personal brand. 1.5 First impressions and language. Your first impression often depends on how you speak. When you enter a room and speak confidently in English, you instantly gain attention, respect, and credibility. Language is not just a tool, it's a part of your personality. Fluent English can make you sound more professional, knowledgeable, and impressive. It enhances your personal brand. The ability to express your thoughts in English, especially with clarity and confidence, gives you an edge over others who might hesitate or struggle. People often judge your capability, intelligence, and leadership potential based on how you communicate, and English adds power to that communication. 1.6 Social impact of English skills. In social situations, speaking English allows you to participate in conversations confidently, express emotions and opinions effectively, build relationships with people from different backgrounds, be included in elite intellectual circles, avoid feelings of inferiority in English-speaking environments. When a person is fluent in English, they often receive more attention, opportunities, and positive feedback. This positive reinforcement boosts self-image and motivates further improvement. 1.7 English and personal empowerment. Learning English empowers individuals in multiple ways. It gives them access to information, education, and global conversations. It enables them to stand up for themselves, express their thoughts, and dream bigger. When people learn to speak and write English fluently, they apply for better jobs. They participate in global forums and events. They connect with people from different parts of the world. They gain respect in both personal and professional circles. Empowerment leads to transformation, and this transformation is at the heart of personality grooming. 1.8 The journey of growth. The journey of learning English and improving personality goes hand in hand. When people begin to learn English, they face challenges. They overcome hesitation. They develop new habits. They become better thinkers and speakers. This journey involves consistent effort, practice, reflection, and self-motivation. As a result, individuals grow more confident, presentable, and impactful, qualities that define a well-groomed personality. 1.9 Purpose of this explanation. This detailed explanation aims to show you how English is not just a subject in school but a life skill that transforms lives. Throughout this guide, we will explore how English builds your confidence, enhances communication, boosts career and academic success, polishes your public image, opens global opportunities, helps you grow as a complete and impressive individual. Section 2. The role of English in building confidence. Confidence is the backbone of a well-groomed personality. Without confidence, even the most skilled and talented individuals may fail to make an impact. English, as a language, acts as a powerful catalyst in building and strengthening this essential trait. This section explores in depth how learning and using English can lead to increased confidence and, ultimately, a stronger, more dynamic personality. 2.1 Why confidence matters. Confidence is the belief in one's own abilities, choices, and potential. It allows a person to take initiative, face challenges, speak up in conversations, and carry themselves with grace and poise. When people lack confidence, they often avoid eye contact, hesitate to speak or express opinions, stay silent in group discussions, miss opportunities due to fear of judgment, struggle with low self-esteem. But when they feel confident, they can lead conversations, make bold decisions, inspire others, handle criticism gracefully, express themselves clearly and effectively. Thus, confidence is not just an internal feeling, it's a visible part of your personality. And English, being a global language of communication and success, plays a key role in nurturing that visible self-assurance. 2.2 English and the fear of speaking. Many people fear speaking in English because they think they'll make mistakes or be laughed at. This fear is common among students, professionals, and even social media users. It's not the lack of intelligence, but the lack of language confidence that holds them back. This fear can create a psychological barrier that leads to anxiety in speaking situations, avoiding English conversations, overthinking grammar and pronunciation, negative self-talk and self-doubt. However, as one gradually improves their English vocabulary, sentence formation, and fluency, these fears reduce. Every step forward builds trust in one's ability to communicate, leading to greater confidence. 2.3 Overcoming stage fear through English practice. Stage fear, also known as glossophobia, affects millions of people. Public speaking in English, especially in front of an audience, can be intimidating. But with the right tools and practice, English can become your weapon to conquer this fear. Here's how English can help overcome stage fear. Preparation of content. Knowing what to say in English gives clarity and structure to your thoughts. Practice and repetition. Rehearsing in English boosts familiarity and reduces hesitation. Improving pronunciation. Clear pronunciation boosts your confidence that people will understand you. Using body language. Practicing English speeches with gestures and expressions makes you feel more in control. Positive visualization. Imagining successful English presentations can prepare your mind to overcome nervousness. Once someone starts delivering small speeches or presentations in English, at school, office, clubs, or even online, they feel empowered. Every success builds their self-image and removes the fear of public interaction. 2.4 Self-expression and confidence in English. Expressing your thoughts clearly is a sign of a confident personality. English, with its rich vocabulary and global reach, gives people the ability to express opinions, feelings, emotions, ideas, dreams. When someone can express themselves in English, they no longer feel trapped or limited. They can participate in meaningful conversations, debates, and discussions. For example, a student confidently answers questions in English during a classroom discussion. A job seeker clearly explains their goals and strengths in an interview. A traveler confidently asks questions in English in a foreign country. This power of expression in English boosts the individual's self-esteem and overall personality. 2.5 English interviews and personality projection. Job interviews are one of the most important opportunities where English and personality come together. Many companies, especially those in the corporate and global sectors, conduct interviews in English. Candidates are evaluated not just on their knowledge but also on how confidently they speak, how fluently they communicate in English, how clearly they express their thoughts, how professional and polite their tone is. Candidates who speak English confidently create a strong first impression. Even if their answers aren't perfect, their confidence and language skills create an image of competence, readiness, and leadership potential. Thus, preparing for interviews in English is one of the most practical ways to build both your confidence and your future. 2.6 Group discussions in English. In colleges, competitions, and hiring processes, group discussions (GD) are common. These are group conversations where participants are evaluated based on communication skills, listening skills, clarity of ideas, body language, leadership qualities. Those who speak confidently in English during group discussions get noticed easily, show better teamwork and leadership, are considered smart and articulate. Even if someone is shy or introverted, practicing GDs in English helps them come out of their shell and participate actively. This contributes significantly to their personality grooming. 2.7 The role of vocabulary in fluency. Sometimes, a person knows English but struggles to find the right words. A limited vocabulary can lead to hesitation, while fluency gives the confidence to keep conversations flowing. When someone builds a strong vocabulary and can speak smoothly, they feel less pressure while talking. They avoid long pauses and filler words like or like. They speak more persuasively. Building vocabulary and fluency in English gives people the tools to handle any conversation, presentation, or discussion. It reduces their fear and increases their self-belief. 2.8 Practical ways to use English to build confidence. Here are some powerful practices that help individuals gain confidence using English. A. Daily speaking practice. Talk to yourself in English about your day. Record your voice and listen to improve clarity and tone. Speak with friends or join English conversation groups. B. Reading aloud. Read newspapers, books, or online articles aloud. Focus on pronunciation and fluency. Reading aloud helps improve speech rhythm and reduces hesitation. C. Mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and speak on any topic. Observe body language, facial expressions, and eye contact. Practice until you feel natural and confident. D. Watching English content. Watch movies, interviews, debates, and talk shows in English. Observe how speakers express ideas and emotions. Try to imitate their tone and delivery. A. Joining English clubs or online communities. Participate in spoken English groups or online forums. Take part in live discussions and debates. Feedback from peers boosts learning and confidence. 2.9 Transformation through English speaking. Let's take a real-life example. A young college student from a rural town struggled to speak English. He often felt nervous, stayed silent in class, and avoided interactions. But he started practicing English for 30 minutes a day, speaking, reading, listening. After 3 months, he started participating in college discussions. After 6 months, he won a speech competition in English. Today, he confidently speaks in seminars, meetings, and interviews. This transformation was not just about learning English, it was about becoming a better version of himself. 2.10 How confidence reflects in personality. Once a person gains confidence in English, it reflects in their overall personality. Their posture improves. Their body language becomes more open. They maintain better eye contact. They express ideas with clarity and calmness. They dress better and appear more polished. Confidence in speaking English can also inspire others around them. It sets an example of growth, determination, and transformation. Conclusion. English is not just a subject, it's a skill that opens up the world. And with that world comes confidence, which is the foundation of a strong personality. From overcoming stage fear to speaking fluently in job interviews and social gatherings, English gives you the tools to believe in yourself and express yourself fully. Confidence earned through English becomes your strength, making you stand tall, speak clearly, and shine in every room you enter. Section 3. English and Social Interaction Skills. Social interaction skills are the essence of a well-developed personality. They determine how well a person can connect, collaborate, communicate, and build relationships with others. Whether it's a casual chat with a friend, a meeting with a client, or a conversation with a stranger, strong interaction skills make a person more likable, approachable, and confident. In this modern world, English plays a powerful role in shaping and strengthening these skills. 3.1 Understanding social interaction skills. Social interaction refers to how individuals behave and communicate in social settings. These skills include starting and ending conversations politely, listening actively and empathetically, asking relevant questions, understanding social cues, body language, tone, responding with appropriate emotions, sharing thoughts clearly and respectfully, being open-minded and inclusive. These behaviors help a person connect deeply with others. And since English is commonly used in schools, colleges, businesses, and global platforms, mastering English becomes a critical part of social communication. 3.2 How English enhances interpersonal relationships. Let's consider a scenario. A person who speaks fluent English is more likely to start conversations with confidence, participate in group discussions, interact with people from different backgrounds, Network effectively in professional environments. Keep up with global trends and events. This ability helps form deeper and more meaningful relationships, both personally and professionally. Speaking English removes the barrier of language and allows two individuals from different cultures to interact and connect. 3.3 English as a medium of small talk. Small talk is an essential social skill. It's the polite conversation you make with others to break the ice or maintain social connections. It's used while greeting co-workers, at social events, in elevators, waiting rooms, and public places. During business introductions, at the beginning of meetings. English is often the default language for small talk in international or professional settings. Knowing how to make small talk in English helps a person come across as friendly, polite, and socially aware. Example phrases for small talk in English. How's your day going? Lovely weather today, isn't it? What brings you here? Have you been to this place before? Practicing such conversations improves one's comfort level and sociability. 3.4 English and active listening skills. Good social interaction isn't just about speaking, it's also about listening. In English conversations, being an active listener means paying full attention, showing interest through body language, responding to key points, asking relevant follow-up questions, avoiding interruptions. When someone listens carefully during an English conversation, they build stronger trust, show empathy, make others feel valued, improve their own English understanding. Listening improves vocabulary, pronunciation, and sentence formation, all of which enhance social confidence and personality. 3.5 English and cultural etiquette. When communicating in English, especially with people from different countries or regions, cultural etiquette becomes very important. This includes using polite phrases like, please, thank you, and excuse me. Respecting personal space and tone. Avoiding offensive or culturally sensitive topics. Showing curiosity and openness. Knowing proper English phrases for expressing respect and politeness helps avoid misunderstandings and builds strong interpersonal bonds. For example, would you mind if I asked you a question? It was great talking to you. I really appreciate your help. Using such expressions enhances both your language and your personality. 3.6 Handling disagreements in English. Disagreements are natural in conversations, but how one handles them reveals their maturity and social intelligence. English gives you diplomatic and polite ways to express disagreement without sounding rude. Polite disagreement phrases in English. I see your point, but I feel a bit differently. That's an interesting opinion. Here's how I see it. I understand where you are coming from, but let's consider another perspective. Using such language shows respect for others' views, confidence in your own thoughts, ability to remain calm and balanced. This emotional and social maturity boosts your overall personality and makes you a better communicator. 3.7 Making friends and expanding networks through English. Friendship and networking are based on mutual understanding, shared values, and frequent communication. English, being a widely spoken language, allows individuals to make friends across countries and cultures. Join online forums, webinars, and discussion groups. Attend conferences and workshops. Share ideas on social media. Connect with mentors and leaders. A person who can express themselves fluently in English has a higher chance of forming meaningful bonds with a diverse set of people. This openness and social flexibility is a sign of a strong personality. 3.8 Body language and English communication. Body language complements verbal communication. While speaking English, maintaining appropriate gestures, expressions, and posture strengthens your message. Some key body language tips. Maintain eye contact while speaking. Smile gently and appropriately. Nod when listening to show understanding. Avoid crossing arms, which can seem defensive. Use hand gestures to emphasize points. Practicing English conversations with mindful body language not only improves your fluency but also builds a charismatic social presence. 3.9 Social confidence through English in the digital world. The digital world has given rise to global conversations. People now interact in WhatsApp and Telegram groups, Zoom meetings, Instagram and Facebook chats, YouTube comments, online communities like Reddit, Quora, LinkedIn. English is the most used language on the internet. Those who can express ideas clearly and confidently in English online attract more followers or clients, get invited to collaborations, receive recognition and appreciation, become thought leaders or influencers. Thus, social interaction in English is not limited to face-to-face situations, it extends to the global digital society as well. 3.10 Personality traits shaped by social use of English. Let's look at how regular English interaction shapes key personality traits. 3.11 Real-life example, social transformation through English. Consider this example. A young woman from a small town learned English through YouTube and English-speaking clubs. Initially shy and reserved, she started practicing conversations in English, making friends from different states and even other countries. Soon, she began hosting online webinars, joined international youth summits, and became a confident public speaker. Her social life and personality transformed, all because she mastered the art of interacting in English. Conclusion: social interaction is the heart of human connection. English, as a powerful tool of communication, helps individuals unlock this connection across borders, communities, and cultures. From starting a friendly conversation to leading an international meeting, English improves the quality, reach, and impact of your social presence. Mastering English makes you not just a better speaker, but a better human, open, confident, respectful, and ready to shine in every interaction. Section 4. The impact of English on career and professional personality. In the modern world, personality is not just about how you look or behave in social situations, it's also about how you perform and present yourself in professional environments. A person with a well-groomed professional personality is confident, clear, influential, and capable of leading or collaborating with others. In this context, English plays a transformative role. It is the global language of business, science, technology, travel, and higher education. Proficiency in English can determine your success in job interviews, career growth, leadership roles, and workplace communication. 4.1 English, the language of the global workforce. English is the official or widely spoken business language in many countries. It is the default language used in international companies and organizations, technical and scientific publications, business reports and presentations, job interviews and resumes, emails and workplace communication. Professionals who are fluent in English have a clear edge in the job market. They can communicate with clients from different countries, represent their company at global events, work abroad or with multinational teams, understand global market trends and data. This ability builds their professional personality and reputation. 4.2 Job interviews and English communication. Job interviews are a critical step in any career. Most interviews, especially in corporate and professional sectors, are conducted in English. Employers assess not only your knowledge and experience but also how well you communicate in English. Key English skills needed in interviews: introducing yourself clearly, answering questions confidently, describing your skills and experiences, asking intelligent questions about the job, thanking the interviewer respectfully. Example: Q. Can you tell me about yourself? A. Certainly. I'm a results-driven marketing professional with over 3 years of experience in digital campaigns, content creation, and customer engagement. I'm passionate about learning and always eager to take on new challenges. Strong English skills here reflect clarity, professionalism, and self-awareness, all signs of a well-developed career personality. 4.3 Resume and cover letter writing in English. Your resume, CV, and cover letter are your first impression on an employer. Writing them in correct, powerful English helps. Highlight your strengths with the right words. Show professionalism and attention to detail. Create a tone of confidence and motivation. Impress recruiters and increase your chances. A well-written English resume can turn an average profile into an attractive one. For example, instead of writing, "I did many projects," write, "Led a cross-functional team to complete 5 marketing campaigns, increasing brand visibility by 40%. Such advanced sentence construction shows initiative, results, and leadership. 4.4 English at the workplace. Once you're hired, English becomes even more important. Workplace communication happens in many forms: emails and reports, meetings and presentations, team collaboration and feedback, calls and video conferences, documentation and instruction manuals. Good English skills help you share your ideas confidently, understand instructions clearly, work efficiently with international clients or co-workers. Avoid misunderstandings. Present yourself as a professional and reliable person. 4.5 Presentations and public speaking in English. Giving presentations is a powerful skill in professional life. Presentations are used for project proposals, sales pitches, team meetings, training sessions, seminars and conferences. To give a great presentation, you must speak clearly in English. Use proper vocabulary and structure. Engage your audience. Use confident body language. Handle questions effectively. Fluency in English helps you deliver your message smoothly, stay calm under pressure, and influence your audience, thus builds leadership and charisma. 4.6 Leadership and English communication. Leaders are often judged by how they speak and express ideas. A leader who speaks English fluently motivates and inspires others, represents their team or company internationally, handles crises with effective communication, builds trust and authority, guides people with clarity and vision. Many successful CEOs, managers, and public figures attribute a part of their personality grooming to mastering English. It allows them to connect with people, manage cross-cultural teams, and maintain a global image. 4.7 Teamwork, collaboration, and English. In today's workplace, collaboration is key. Projects are rarely completed alone, they require teamwork and coordination. English helps professionals express their opinions respectfully, understand others' points of view, resolve conflicts peacefully, share feedback constructively, build a positive and cooperative environment. This makes you not just a better worker, but a better colleague and human being. It improves your emotional intelligence and social personality. 4.8 Professional etiquette in English. Using polite and professional language in English makes a big difference. It reflects your maturity and good manners. Common workplace expressions. Could you please send me the file by noon? I'd be happy to assist you with that. Thank you for your time and support. Looking forward to your feedback. Let's connect over a call to discuss this further. Such expressions build respect, cooperation, and smooth relationships. 4.9 Email writing and English grammar. Emails are the most common form of business communication. A well-written email in English shows professionalism, avoids confusion, makes a strong impression, saves time and effort, shows you are detail-oriented and intelligent. Fluency in English grammar, vocabulary, and sentence formation is crucial here. 4.10 Workplace confidence and self-expression. English proficiency allows you to express your opinions, concerns, and ideas freely. It makes you feel heard and understood, respected by peers, confident during discussions, ready to participate in decisions, empowered in professional life. This self-expression is the foundation of a powerful professional personality. 4.11 Opportunities for career growth. Professionals with strong English skills often get more opportunities such as promotions, international assignments, leadership training, conference speaking roles, networking with experts. Your confidence, visibility, and influence increase, and so does your value as a professional. 4.12 Real life example, career rise through English. Let's take the story of Rajiv, a software engineer in India. Though technically skilled, Rajiv struggled to get promoted because of poor English communication. He decided to take English-speaking classes, practiced presentations, and improved his business writing. Within a year, he began leading meetings, gained recognition for clear emails and reports, was selected to represent his team in an international client meeting, got promoted to team lead. Rajiv's technical skills remained the same, but English helped him showcase his abilities better and groomed his professional personality. Conclusion: English is more than just a language in the workplace, it's a key to unlocking professional potential. It helps build a career-oriented personality marked by confidence, clarity, leadership, and global appeal. Whether you are a student preparing for your first job or a manager aiming for leadership, mastering English will open the doors to new heights. Thank you friends, like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such English listening session. Share your love in comment box. Have a nice day.